Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Kanto-style Sakura Mochi. What makes the difference is the skin. Kanto-style Sakura Mochi is made from glutinous rice flour and all-purpose flour, and wrap the red bean paste in the center and finish with the salted sakura leaves. Sakura has just started to bloom, so it's the time to make sakura sweets. And it's very easy to make, so there's no excuse not to try this recipe. Let's get started. This is salted sakura leaves. It has a unique aroma and it's edible. Soak in water for about 10 minutes to remove the saltiness. You will need a red bean paste. The moisture content should be less than usual to keep the shape. My red bean paste is a bit watery, so I cook it in a microwave to evaporate the excess moisture. But if you do it too much, it's going to be too dry, so do it from 30 seconds and extend a little bit more time to dry out the excess moisture. Drop onto the tray to cool down quickly. To make the batter, put Shiratamako in a bowl, pour half the amount of the water. Leave it a couple of minutes to break down the Shiratamako. If you use the mochiko, you don't have to do this. Shiratamako has a smaller particle than mochiko, so it creates the smooth texture. To make the process easy, just leave it like this. Whisk until smooth, add sifted all-purpose flour. Add sugar and whisk until smooth. Add a tiny amount of food coloring. 1 or 2 drops is enough to tint the batter pink. The color should be pastel pink like this. Now let's take out the sakura leaves from the water and put it on the paper towel. Red bean paste should be cool enough to touch, so shape into the tater tots like cylinder shape. The length should be a little wider than the width of sakura leaves. To cook the Sakuramochi skin, heat a frying pan on low heat and lightly grease the inside. If your pan is too hot, put it on a wet towel to cool down a little bit. Give it a stir to even out the batter and drop slowly onto the pan like this and shape into an oval. Repeat the process. But obviously the second one is bigger than the first one, so to make the even size, add a little bit of butter to the first one. Cook a couple of minutes until the surface is dry and cook 10 seconds more. Repeat the process and make 6 Sakura Mochi skin. Roll up the red bean paste with the skin and finish with the sakura leaves. You can leave out the sakura leaves if you cannot access to it. You can still enjoy the Sakura Mochi. And if you have a salted sakura flower, use it as a garnish. Outside skin is chewy, and as you chew, sakura leaves gives a unique aroma, and the sweetness from the red bean paste mixed in your mouth and it's so delicious. In Kansai area where I live, you can barely find this type, so only way to taste it is make your own. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.